In this video, you'll learn how to use Microsoft To Do in Teams so you can keep track of your tasks without leaving your workspace. We'll go step by step, keeping things simple, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to get To Do up and running inside Microsoft Teams, plus an alternative way to access your tasks in a browser if you prefer. Let's start right inside Teams. Look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is the vertical strip where you normally see icons like Activity, Chat, Teams, Calendar, and so on. At the bottom of that sidebar, you'll see an icon with three dots. This is labeled More Apps or View More Apps. Go ahead and click those three dots. When you click it, a small panel will open showing you additional apps you can use inside Teams. There's also a search bar at the top of this panel. Click inside that search bar and type Planner. Microsoft has combined tasks from Planner and To Do into one experience in Teams, so searching for Planner is how you'll get access to your to-do tasks here. As you type, you should see an app appear called something like Planner or Tasks by Planner and To Do. Click on that app. If this is your first time using it, Teams may prompt you to add the app, confirm that you want to add it, and it will open in the main area of Teams. Once it opens, you'll see a layout where tasks can be viewed in different ways, such as by lists or by plans, depending on what's available in your account. Tasks that come from Microsoft To Do, as well as tasks assigned to you in Planner, will typically show up here in one place. This is helpful because you don't have to switch between multiple tools to see what you need to work on. At this point, you can start exploring the task views. Look for tabs or filters that mention assigned to me or similar wording. This is where you'll see items that are specifically your responsibility. You can click on a task to see more details, change dates, or mark it as complete. Even though the setup is very light in these steps, taking a few minutes to click around and understand how your tasks are organized will make it much easier to use day to day. If, for any reason, you don't see what you need in Teams or you'd rather work directly in Microsoft To Do, there is another way to access your tasks. Open your web browser and go to the To Do website at todo.live.com/tasks. When that page loads, sign in with the same account you use for Teams. This will make sure your tasks stay in sync across both places. Once you're signed in on the website, you can set up your lists, add tasks, organize them with due dates and reminders, and generally get everything the way you like it. The changes you make here will connect back to the tasks you see in Teams through the Planner or Tasks app, as long as you're using the same account. So to recap, you start by opening Teams, clicking the three dots on the left sidebar, searching for Planner, and opening the Planner or Tasks app to work with your to-do items inside Teams. And if you prefer or need more control, you can head to the To Do website at todo.live.com/tasks and set everything up there, knowing it ties back into your Teams experience.